Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I feel like a vampire with this lip on. I was such a big Twilight fan, but I like Jacob more. But right now I'm still feeling like a vampire. Anyways, for today's video, I figured we would switch it up, do something a little different. I'm going to show you my top five candles from Bath and Body Works. Now, Bath and Body Works candle, I must say one, they're just so expensive and I don't buy any unless they're on sale. So all the candles I'm showing you are ones I got on sale or that were gifts. Two, I haven't tried every single one of their candles, and one of the candles I do want to try really bad is called like Baguette, and that's my favorite smell in the world, is the smell of like notes in this is fresh baked cookies, sparkling sugar crystals. It smells amazing. It's just beautiful. Plus, that packaging screams Christmas. Like, I know it's not Christmas right now, but it still gives me those sweater weather vibes. So the next candle I have is Black Cherry Merlot. Sense of scrumptious in it. So my favorite one is the Cinnamon Caramel Swirl. Mine looks like a mess because it's the one that I'm currently burning. It has like hot glue on it. This one just smells like cinnamon and a nice deep caramelly scent to it. This also smells a lot like a cookie. Clearly I like things that smell like cookies. I definitely like it when they have the fragrance notes written on the bottom of these. This one doesn't have it either, but again, it just smells like cinnamon and caramel, and it's rich, and it's yummy, and it smells like a cookie. Next up, we have Salted Caramel. I have to smell each one. They smell so good. And like, these candles are so strong that with the lid on, with them not lit, you can smell them. So when you light it, it's not just gonna like fill that little area of where you lit it. It will fill the whole room. This one has roasted chestnut, caramel, sugar, and spiced rum notes. It's so good. And again, this smells really good. All of these candles are made with soy blend wax. I don't know if y'all care about that, but they are. And they're all 3 wicked candles, which you can't even see. You can see it in this one. So they all have 3 wicks, so they burn more evenly and spread a lot more of that aroma around the room. And then last up, I have Cinnamon Vanilla Swirl, basically a mixture of all of the other ones we were just smelling. And this one has fragrance notes of ground cinnamon, sugar crystals, and vanilla bean. It's basically what the name says. This is one of their 1 wick candles, but even like it being a 1 wick, it still burns very strong. This one smells like a milkshake. It smells like a vanilla milkshake, and I love vanilla milkshakes, so of course I would love this. Plus the packaging is really cute. It's very different. It has the screw-on lid. It has the brown paper writing. I like it. It looks very like, it's simple, but it's pretty. Just so you can see some of the other lids. So this one has snowflakes on it because it's part of their winter collection. This one as well has a snowflake on it. This one has the same snowflake as the first one. And this one has the simplest lid, and it's the super dirtiest because I leave this one in the kitchen. And this one just says White Barn in it, and it's just a simple black lid with the engraved writing. So there you go, guys. That's my top 5 candles from Bath and Body Works. you know, until I get that baguette one, because I feel like I'm going to love it. But anyways, guys, I hope you like this video. If you like these sort of different style videos, let me know by hitting the thumbs up, subscribe for new videos every Monday and Thursday, and comment below for what videos you want to see me do next on my channel. And until next time, guys, bye.